entering the building. Air unit at the scene. Requesting backup. Dispatch reporting at 503. Suspect is control of an LSPD tactical unit vehicle. Requesting air and ground units to intercept. Attention all units. Civilians reporting a 983. Suspect in possession of prohibited chemicals. Code 3. Proceed with caution. We have a 503 at Bugstar Pest Control on Ocean Island. White male adult seen fleeing the area. ATL a light blue Declase van. Attention Rockford Hills units. Officer reporting at 503 outside of Didier Sachs. Suspect is fleeing in a police cruiser. Requesting additional units. Reported jewel store robbery at Vangelico in Rockford Hills. 3 suspects leaving on dirt bikes. Heading east on Eastbourne Way. Suspects sighted entering construction entrance on the Del Perro Freeway. Do not pursue. Hold for possible exit points. Jewel store robbery suspects have emerged into the LS River. Officers in pursuit request assistance. We've got a 415 on Grove Street in Davis. Members of the Ballers gang involved. Deadly force is authorized. Dispatch to Elysian Island units. We have a trespasser reported at the Jetson Terminal. Requesting a unit to investigate. Code 3. Requesting backup for a possible national security threat at Strawberry Corners office. Suspect is a white male adult. IAA has authorized the use of lethal force. All Paleto units, special instructions. Piggy bank is broken. Repeat, broken. All units respond. Code 99. Citizens reporting a 503 at Toledo Bay PCC construction site. Possible suspects seen heading west in a bulldozer. Dispatch to special surveillance units. Suspects last seen in a vehicle transporter. Officers have identified the Mark Pegassi. Other vehicles on board suspected stolen. Attention La Puerta units. Requesting a VIP escort for Miss Molly